Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to hard reset your candy dishwasher quickly so it works properly again. First, turn off your dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet. Waiting a few minutes allows the internal electronics to fully power down. Next, press and hold the Start-Pause button for about 5 to 10 seconds while the dishwasher is unplugged. This helps discharge residual power and resets the control board. Plug the dishwasher back in and turn it on. Select a standard wash cycle and press Start. This triggers the system to initialize and restore default settings. If your dishwasher has a digital display showing an error code, note the code before resetting. After the hard reset, check if the error disappears. Persistent codes may require professional service. Also, make sure the door is fully closed and the water supply is turned on. The dishwasher won't reset or start if it detects a door latch or water flow problem. By following these steps, you can perform a hard reset on your candy dishwasher and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.